I just want to dig into precisely what this lawsuit's about. Huawei is suing the US government. It's got particular issue with a law called the National Defense Authorization Act and a section in there which singles Huawei out by name and forbids US government agencies from buying any equipment made by the Chinese telecoms firm. Now, Huawei's lawyers have argued that this is unconstitutional, and they say this amounts to what in legal terms they're calling a bill of attainder, where a company is singled out and essentially punished and deemed guilty without a trial. They say this is not with due process. They haven't been given a fair trial in this case, and they say that goes against the Constitution of the United States of America. And I had a chance to catch up with Glenn Nager, who's the head lawyer for Huawei on this case, and asked him what he hopes to achieve by filing this lawsuit. Let's listen into what he had to say.
This law is hurting Huawei's customers in the United States. It's damaging Huawei's reputation, and it's limiting the ability of Huawei to provide its innovative products, including 5G, to consumers in the United States. And what we're hoping to have come out of this lawsuit is to have the particular provisions declared unconstitutional, that Congress hasn't followed the procedures that it's supposed to follow for enacting a constitutional law.
Huawei hopes it can clear the air, clear its name, and restart talks with the U.S. government. What's interesting about this is a bold statement from the Chinese firm, which is really going on the front foot, on the offensive, after spending most of 2018 really under political pressure from the U.S. and other allies as well. But let's just get to the heart of what's at stake here. Should Huawei be successful in its lawsuit, it could have a chance to clear its name. It might even convince other nations to take a softer stance against it. But if it does lose and it's condemned by the US, that could be very tough going for Huawei. Of course, this plays out in the context of the broader US-China trade war, and both countries, the US and China, are in a very intense race right now for dominance in 5G technology, which is going to underpin a number of industries in the future.